Used by a variety of hat section sliding screen door manufacturers. Non-handed, and can be used on left or right sliding patio doors. Mounting holes are 2-1/2 in on center. Black plastic with steel latch. Secures door from accidental opening from weather or pets. Mounting hardware included. This screen door latch and pull is constructed from black plastic. It features a mortise style installation and is used on 1-in thick hat section style screen frames. It comes complete with fasteners for a quick and easy installation. Hardware. Cabinet hardware. Cabinet and furniture pulls. Top reviews from the United States. Good direct replacement. My old latch was broken and this was a direct replacement. Just a couple of screws to install.